Mrs. Erforth. Today, you are going to be a letter hero. We are going to learn all about the letter J. We will learn to name the letter, the sound, and how to write the letter J. Let's practice naming the letter. This is the uppercase letter J. This is the lowercase letter J. When I point to a letter, you say the name. What letter is this? J. What letter is this? J. What letter is this? J. And this? And what letter is this again? Right, the letter J. Learning to read and write the letter J will help you to read and write many words. The letter J represents the sound J, like in the word jug, and in the word jelly, and the word juice. To make the sound J, my teeth stay closed and my lips come out, and my tongue is at the roof of my mouth just behind my teeth, like this. J, J. Can you try it? Make that sound J. Get your mouth ready. J, J. Great. Now let's practice saying the sounds of the letter. When I point to the letter, you say the sound. Ready? Here we go. What sound? J. What sound? J. What sound? Great. Last time? What sound? J. Great job. Now, letter heroes, let's see if we can find the letter J. Let's look in our sentence here, and we'll look at each word and see if we can find a word with the letter J. Jill likes to eat jelly and sip juice. Let's look closer. Let's look at the first word, Jill. Do you see the letter J in the word Jill? Yes, right at the beginning. The beginning of the word Jill has the letter J. J-ill. Jill. Great job. Let's keep looking closer. Likes to. Do we see a J yet? Oh, let's keep reading. Eat. Eat. Do we see a J? Do we hear the sound J? Let's keep reading. The next word is jelly. Do you see the letter J? Yes. The word jelly begins with the letter J. Let's circle it. Great job. Let's see if we can find any other words that has a J. And sip. Do we see the letter J? Do we hear the sound J in the word sip? No. Last word is juice. Do you see the letter J in the word juice? Yes, right here. Juice begins with the letter J. The beginning of juice has the sound J. Let's circle it. Great job, letter heroes. We found how many words? 3 words with the letter J. Now let's learn to write the letter J. Let me show you how to write the uppercase letter J. On our paper line, begin at the top, big line down, turn, and little line across the top. Let's practice together. Let's trace it. Can you get your finger tracer ready? Trace it in the air while I trace it on my paper. Here we go. Begin at the top, big line down, turn, little line across the top. Great. Let's trace it one more time. Get your finger ready. On our paper line, begin at the top, big line down, turn, little line across the top. Great job. Now, grab your pencil and let's practice writing the uppercase letter J together. Ready with your pencil? On our paper line, begin at the top, big line down, turn, and little line across the top. Great. Let's write one more together. On your paper line, begin at the top, big line down, turn, and little line across the top. Great job. Now, let's learn how to write the lowercase letter J. Let me show you how to write the lowercase letter J. On our paper line, begin in the middle, go down, turn, and dot. Let's practice together. Let's trace it. Get your finger ready to trace. Ready? On our paper line, begin in the middle, go down, turn, and dot. Great. Let's trace it again. Ready? Begin in the middle line, go down, turn, and dot. Great. Grab your pencil and let's practice writing the lowercase letter J together. Pencil ready? All right. On your paper line, begin in the middle, go down, turn, and dot. Let's practice another one. On your paper line, begin in the middle, go down, turn, and dot. Great job writing the uppercase letter J and the lowercase letter J. Letter heroes, you did a fantastic job learning all about the letter J. We learned how to name the letter, the sound of the letter J, and we learned how to write the letter J. Remember to keep looking for the letter J at home in books that you are reading.
This program is made possible in part by the Michigan Department of Education, the State of Michigan, and the W.K. Kellogg Foundation. Additional support by, and by viewers like you. Thank you.